Hi you guys, this is me SC and finally back with a mukbang. And tonight I have some snow crabs, shrimp, and one potato. And I have some sauce. I don't know, I can't remember everything that's in it. I just threw stuff in there. It's butter, vinegar, Worcestershire sauce, which I should have put in here, a little brown sugar, and a lot of seasonings. Anyway, shouldn't put in there. And some garlic, minced garlic. So we're going to start. I'm going to say my grace and I'm going to get started, baby. Lord Jesus, I thank you for this day. I thank you for the food. I thank you for your many blessings. Lord, I ask that this food will be a nourishment to my body. Lord, I ask that you please continue to touch, bless, and heal everyone who's watching this video, as well as everyone all over the world. In Jesus' name I pray, amen. Y'all, I'll be right back because I got to check my volume. Okay, y'all, I'm back. The volume was okay. So, yes, we're going to get started. And I have some water in my Cognito bottle and a little bit of ice. It's on 16 ounces now. Whatever. So, yeah, y'all. And let me tell y'all something else. I've been doing good. And not so good, but it doesn't matter. I take it one day at a time. And today, I have tried some of these. Well, me and Joshua shared them. And then I went back and got some more. Because they were so good. I bought 2 boxes. Zion and Tanae shared a box. And then me and Joshua shared a box. And they are so good. So good. But yeah. I haven't been doing too bad, but yeah. I gotta get it together. And I bought me some like low carb stuff. I bought some low carb tortillas. I bought me some low carb tortilla shells. And I got me some chicken sausages. And I cooked it a little bit with some mustard. And I fried the tortilla shell. Well, not fried it, but like, I guess crispied it up with some olive oil and a little bit of butter in a pan. And I wrapped it. I cut it in half. Well, what I did was, I cooked 1 sausage and 1 tortilla shell, and I cut them both in half. And I rolled the sausage in the tortilla shell, and I put a little mustard. I mean, doing good. But yeah. If I could chill out from the sweets, like these donuts, they're good. They're good, they good, they good. And I hope these snow crabs don't make me sick. I don't know why I wanted some snow crabs. I really wanted some snow crabs ever since Sunday when I went to Raleigh Crab House. And I got these from Harris Teeter yesterday. I went to Greenville. Went to Sam's Club. And Sam's Club has a big box of the Ocean Choice Snow Crab clusters. And I want to get them, but I don't know because I can't eat every snow crab. And I don't know why. Like, the ones I get from Washington, they make me sick. But I had some in Raleigh, and I was fine. I don't really understand that, but yeah. And this stuff is spicy, spicy. And I made him my dryer because I'm washing some clothes. And I thought I was going to get a 10% discount yesterday at Harris Teeter for, you know, like the college students. But she was like, it'd take a few days. And I was like, okay, whatever. Then I've been paying over just charges for Suddenly for 2 months now. And I don't even really be home. And I'm not understanding why. I've been going over. And they can't tell me why. Anyway. So I upgraded my internet service for $10 more a month. And I could have been did that, but I didn't pay no mind last month. But this month I did. Instead of $60, I could just pay $10, but whatever. It's all good in the hood. And this stuff is too spicy. I said I was going to try something new instead of my ranch sauce, but yeah. And I got these shrimp from, I think I'm going to scare me, Sam's Club last night. It was 13 or 15, I think. And it was like, I don't know, it didn't say the size, but it's good because it was only, these shrimp were only $8. And y'all know my super colossal shrimp be like $11. So yeah, if I like these the ones I will be getting from now on. They're probably the same. They're tasty too. Please don't make me sick, snow crabs. Please don't. Zion, please don't cut that TV up loud. Y'all see Zion? He wasn't even on that TV before I started. He was watching his phone. Now, here you go. Help my children, Lord. I done watched Greenleaf both episodes 4 times and still haven't watched it yet. I don't know why. I just can't sit down and watch TV like that. And I like Greenleaf, but yeah, I just can't be still. But I got to study for my test anyway. That's Wednesday. That's Wednesday. And we had to go up to the teacher and tell how the blood flows through the heart for 5 points on our test. And y'all, I was so nervous and waiting for to go up there, and people kept going to talk to the teacher for me, and I kept forgetting, and I had to go back and study again. But I finally got it right. My lips are burning. It's good though, but it's just too spicy for my lips. And I know I just got my king crabs, but I wanted some snow crabs for some reason. But anyway, yeah. My deep freezer is like right behind me, right here. And got my stuff in there. Oh, yes. I got me a nice pumpkin tablecloth last night. I haven't had the time to put it on my table, though. But yeah, that Loud Tail dryer. And I forgot to cut my phone off. My bad. All the noise in the world. Have y'all tried the Frootloops yet? At Hardee's, they're $1.99 for how many? And I do have on a green shirt. But yeah. It's 5 in here for $2. For $2. 2 for $5. 2 for 10. Y'all had my videos backed up, but ain't back there no more. And I wanted to make a video yesterday of my Popeyes, my black and chicken, but I had to eat and drive and finish eating when I got to class. I mean, to school. I was rushing. Do y'all like muscadine grapes? I think that's what they call. It's the grapes that they eat your mouth. and you bite them, and then the inside come out, and the seeds, you can't eat them. That's so good. I got some for Walmart. They was alright, but some of them wasn't good. So I got some from Piggly Wiggly, and plus that was much cheaper. That was $4 at Walmart, and one little container was like $1.59 at Piggly Wiggly, and I know they probably better. So that's why I went to get them yesterday in between class time. I don't want to speak too fast, but I think I'm gonna be alright. I don't feel nothing. A Jula baby, Jula baby. My one little potato. I did good with carbs today. Really, I did. Because for breakfast, I had some turkey sausages and then my apple sausages, sage sausage. And I dipped my sausage in. This potato don't taste right. I don't know what's going on. I'm going to put it to the side. I don't need it anyway. I dipped my turkey sausages in some sour cream, no, cream cheese. It was so good. And a great low carb snack because pork rinds don't have carbs in it. I like the honey barbecue pork rinds, but they didn't have honey barbecue. They have barbecue. So I dipped the pork rinds in the cream cheese. It was delicioso. And that's enough. This is really good, but it's just spicy. What Christmas means to me, my love. Leave it smoking like fire. And y'all, I don't know. I really didn't think I had lost weight because it was like, you know, the scale. It's the scale, but it's like better when you put your clothes on. And my shirt that usually be tight was loose. And I was like, what? What's going on here? But I forgot. I was like, okay, girl. So you have to keep this up. And I be talking to myself like, don't do it. Keep up the good work, Sierra. And my client offered to buy me a takeout plate from the Chinese restaurant, but I was like, nope. I went and got his food, and I just got me 2 chicken on a stick, and I had that, and I was like, that's it, that's all. And he tried to give me his chicken, the chicken wings, but it was the drum part. It was fried, and I wasn't gonna eat it. Number 1, I don't like the drum part, and number 2, yeah. So yeah, I was like, nope. I was so proud of myself. He was like, you can eat it. And I was like, I took it and I put it in the refrigerator for him. Oh, the meat already out of here. Now I'm looking for the meat. The meat already gone. I wish that loud dryer would go to bed. It's nice weather outside for a hammock or hammock. That food at the crab house was so delicious. It was delicious. Talk to me, baby. Holding on. song by Gregory Porter. I think that's his name. Then y'all already did half of my birthday shopping for myself. I wanted some new Sperry's, so I ordered them. I want some rain boots, the duck boots, because I need some. So I ordered them, and then I had a $10 gift card, and I had trouble with it since Tuesday. And I finally called and did it, and I'm waiting for that $10 gift card so I can put that towards the purchase to my shoes. Because, yeah, they was like, on your first purchase, okay, I ain't about to waste my $10 because I probably won't be buying no more shoes sometime soon. From there. And then, y'all, because I'm in school, and there was like a student discount. So I got like $20 extra off the shoes for being a student. That is so good. Like, yes, honey. I'm trying to get all the student discounts I can. Call me what you want. Utilize it, baby. Like, I get a discount on Spotify. So good. And then Spotify come with Hulu. Because you have Spotify, you get Hulu for free. If that's what it's called. Yeah. Y'all, this stuff is too spicy, but it's so delicious. Oh. I made some dip. And I made some Rice Krispie treats. My first time ever making some in my own house. I made some for my client like 3 years ago. It was so good, yeah. And Rice Krispie treats was good. I had one because I wanted to taste them. I didn't do too much, but it was so good. I follow Tiana. I Can Only Be Me recipe. Shout out to her. She has a video up of how she made them. I got me 2 bags of marshmallows from Dollar Tree. Some butter. I ain't know how much butter, so I googled it. But yeah, everything else I followed. How she let them cool down first, and then add a little bit. And stir it up and then add some more. I'm on the way. I thank you. Welcome and welcome back to everyone. Welcome to my channel. Okay, Dry, that's enough. Please be quiet. This is why I wear a towel. Because if I didn't, this would be my shirt. I need to order them bibs. Because, yeah, I cannot stay clean. I'm like a little baby. So you all, again, I will be doing low carb. I want to try keto, but that's a little, I don't know. It's too strict for me, maybe. I don't know. I don't know all about it. And I like ketchup and mayonnaise and all that stuff. So I'm going to do low carb. Okay. Okay. I'm reloaded. Are you coming out to play with me? I was trying to make the sauce that I had at the crab house, but nope. I was looking up the ingredients, but it wasn't up here, or the recipe, but I didn't see it. This is so good, y'all. This is so good, baby, baby. Baby, baby, I got the feeling. Baby, baby. My birthday is September 25th, and I'm debating if I should leave this in and then just get it in later, because y'all, I want to live in there for like 2 months and then get it done again, but whatever. I don't need a new hairstyle for my birthday. Like, I really don't. Probably not going nowhere. I want to go to Virginia Beach, but it don't matter about my hair. I'm not like all of that. You know, spicy. And the Pitt County Fair is September the 19th through the 23rd. And I have not took my kids to the Pitt County Fair in so long. It's been so long. And I'm going to take them this year. I probably haven't took them because it was June. But yeah, I'm going to take them this year. I don't know what day. My birthday is on a Monday or Tuesday, I think. So I might take them Thursday night or Friday night. Probably Friday night because they don't have school the next day. And then I said I'm going to go to Virginia on Saturday. I don't know. I don't know though. I'm not want to go redeem my bike ride, that little ride. So for he act like he forgot, and that's $35. No. Y'all, my scarf still haven't came in. I don't know what's going on. I found me some nice little long sleeve shirts at Sam's Club last night. And I found some nice jeans for my boys. I still call them fancy jeans. They're like the bleached jeans with the little rips and the zippers. And they said $12.99, and when the lady rung them up, there was only $6. And I was like, what? Okay. So I got them 2 pair of jeans, and I got me 3 packs of hair bows, the little bubbles. I call them hair bows with the balls, because me and scrunchies don't get along. Tanae can do the scrunchie, but I can't. And all that was $16. When, yeah, I was like, okay. When I would really wish you would go to bed for real. That dry need to go to sleep. It's over for you, baby. Moment like you. Yeah, I was in Sam's Club so long, walking around so much. My feet was hurting so bad. And I still didn't want to go home. I still went to Walmart to get them some black shirts. Then we had to come to this Walmart, because Walmart and Greenwood only had Jocelyn's size. So I couldn't get Jocelyn no shirt and didn't get Zion's shirt. So we had to come to this Walmart. And yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Let me tell y'all. Now, yesterday, I went to Hardee's to get the low-carb burger and the low-carb chicken club. The burger was not okay because it didn't have half the stuff it supposed to have up there. I wanted everything but no bread. The chicken, they said it was a charboiled sauce. But when I got one before, it didn't have that sauce. It was like, I don't know. It was horrible. So I took that back. Because, yeah. I took it back on my back and I asked them to make the sandwich how it's supposed to be with everything up there. Like, I don't be understanding. How low carb go to you changing stuff? And I said everything but bread. And then it was like sloppy. I'm like, okay, I'm not going back to that Hardee's no more. Because, like, you don't gotta throw my food and do whatever. Then they gave back the same dirty box. I'm like, okay, whatever. Whatever. So, yeah, I didn't go back to the Hardee's to get them. I went to the Hardee's. Other Hardee's. And I was like, that's my fault anyway because I have food at home, but I ain't really had time to cook. But yeah, I got me some burger patties and the ballpark, I think it's a ballpark burger patties I got. And I got me some American cheese, some bacon, and some onions. Because when I was doing low carb before, that was my favorite meal with an egg. Like a runny yolk egg, whatever. It was so good. I used to do Brussels sprouts and bacon. I used to do better. I don't know what happened. I need to get myself together. I ain't no need to get myself together. I'm going to. It's the everyday. It's a lifestyle change. Every day you gotta take it one step at a time. One day at a time, one step at a time. Okay? Okay. I still drink my tea every morning. My detox tea. I don't drink it at night. But I still drink it every morning faithfully. Yes, I do. When I get up in the morning, I drink me a bottle of water and I go make my tea. And I drink that. And I drink me another bottle of water. And then I wait until 12 o'clock. And it is time to eat. Lord, I thank you that these things did not make me sick. So that means I can have Harris Teeter crab legs. Because the last time, y'all, I had to stop mid-video and go take care of myself. And then I tried to do it again. Didn't work. It's the crab legs in Washington. I don't know what they got going on. But it ain't for my stomach, though. This juice is good. Y'all had got me some crab legs because I want some crab legs so bad. What day was it? It was Tuesday, I believe. Yeah. And it was female. They was alright, but they weren't alright. I'm not getting no more. And I asked her, I said, I want all male. She said, okay, that's fine. You can get them. So I get home. It's all female and it's only one male. And then most of the crabs was not good. And then the meat was hard to come out. Like the meat was stuck to the shell or stuck inside. I don't know what was going on. And every time I call him in, he talking about in 2 weeks, a couple of weeks. A couple is 2, man. It's been a whole month. You need to open back up. A doula, baby. But it's all good. I'm doing a lot of talking because I ain't seen y'all in a long time. I feel like it. Haven't made a video since Sunday. Yes. Yeah. That's good because I have videos like this, girl. But anyway, y'all. But these was on sale for $9.97 a pound. I tried to get an extra 10%, but I didn't. I couldn't get it. And then they had some king crabs. I think that's what they were. But they was looking a little sick. And these snow crabs was too, the ones that was on display. And I was like, do you have any more in the back? Because I didn't want those. And it probably wouldn't be that much because it was like, you know, it be ice on the crab legs. I was thinking I should have asked him to remove the ice before he weighed my crab legs. But anyway, whatever. What? Because I know it was $1 worth of ice up there. Or a pound of ice. I don't know. No, it wasn't no pound of ice. It was a little bit of ice. I know that. Yeah, probably $1 worth. I'm living my best life. I ain't going back and forth with you. You got a lot to be smiling for. Smile. Come on. I let him do that. Yes. Oh, do la baby, do la baby. Love me in a special way. I know y'all missed this Apollo singing. I can't even talk. Keep on moving, don't stop. No. I hope I'm chewing my food. Or just sucking the meat in. Is that what you watching? SpongeBob with no squares on his pants. Yep. Aye, Captain, I can hear you. It's on a commercial like that. Control your pinky, Sierra. You're not sipping tea. That dryer is like, what? Just stay on all night if you want to. Why do people choose to live their life? I'm glad I got this towel around me because juice is dripping everywhere. Y'all, this sauce is so spicy. It don't make no sense. Like, my lips are on fire. My necklace sticking in me. This meat is good. Have any of y'all tried Ocean Choice? Let me see what it is. Because if y'all have, please tell me how they are. Because I want to try them. They at Sam's Club. I was looking through the box. It's like Ocean Choice. It was like 5 pounds for $55. And I kept reading reviews. And they had them like places like for $35, $50, $45. Let's see a good picture for you all. It's too bright. My bad, y'all. If y'all can see that, it's Ocean Choice International Snow Crab Clusters. Have y'all tried that? It went right back bright. Let me see. That's what it is. I want to try them. Yeah. It's not really a good deal, but it is. Because it's like $11 a pound. It would be nice if they go on sale, you know. But whatever. Yeah. And what else? And y'all know I need some new spares because my spares is 2 more walks. And it's going to be a hole in the bottom of them. I had them shoes for like over 5 years, I think. Yeah, probably. When I got them, I thought I was the you know what? The queen, honey. Oh well. My favorite shoes ever. John Jacob Jingleheimer Smith. His name is my name. Whenever I go out, I have some more. I think I have like 3 more clusters and a lot more shrimp. But I didn't get a lot because I didn't want to get too much. I need my stomach and my eyes to be on the same team right now. And my mind. Leave it smoking like fire. Hello to spit. You know, like when spit comes out your mouth like a sprout or like a spritz. You know, I don't know what happens. Anyway, hello to people who like this voice. Make sure nothing's on my mouth, you know, because I be saying, you know, how y'all be digging in people who have stuff around their lips and don't wipe. So mean. It's so rude. For what reason? But if you're digging me, I don't care. I might come back at you and I might not. But I know one thing, this crab is delicious. It is tasty. You see my little trash bin? Yeah, I had to bring that back out, you know. Better than the loud paper bag, plastic bag. I got me a piece of meat. Let me stop acting like this is a cigarette. Come on, Sierra. What is wrong with you? They already don't think you're 32. I just like to have fun, even if it's by myself. As long as I'm not harming you, it's all good in the hood. It's all good in the hood. Please come out of the shell. It's okay. I'm not going to do anything to you. And a little fun fact. Did you know that the largest crab was the Japanese spider crab? That's the largest, it said, when I was doing a little research. Why on crabs? I didn't know, because that is like my most favorite food in the world. Yes, it is. Okay. Guys, I did really good. I seen the naked drinks at Sam's Club last night, and you know they was on sale for $10. $10 for, I think it's 16 or 12 drinks. You know, I want to get so bad. I'm like, no, Sarah, you have to chill on the juice. Even if it's, you know, it still has all sugar in it, so you have to chill out. You know, I come to the conclusion sugar can't be an addiction. They said it's like cocaine, more addictive, or like, you know, close in rank. Because sugar is very addictive. It is. I was fiending for a pineapple soda. I got one. I drank a little bit, and then I drank a little bit. Yeah, it was so good, but then it was like, you shouldn't be drinking, but it's okay. Don't deprive yourself, because then you're going to want it more, and then you're going to go get it more because you tell yourself you can't have it. Just be lenient, but don't go overboard. Everything in moderation. Everything in moderation, okay? It's going to be alright. Don't beat yourself up. Love yourself. That's in front of the mirror. And be happy. Love the person you are. No matter who you are. No matter what you look like. No matter what people say about you. Love yourself. It's okay. Have fun and live. You only have one life. You better live it. You know, you better. Don't harm anybody. But you live your life and you be happy. It was a quote from my tea this morning. I'm going to read it to you. You know, the yoga detox tea, they always have a little quote every day. And today the quote was, y'all should see my college ID. I look busted. The man did not tell me to smile. He didn't even tell me to take a picture. I look a mess. I'm going to show y'all. Y'all know I'm going to show y'all. Let me find this quote, though. It says, speak to make yourself happy. Don't speak to impress others. It's right there. My little T. Y'all can't see it, but that's what I read to y'all. Okay, so I'm going to show y'all my little, it look like, I ain't going to say it look like it, but it do. I don't know why I was making no video on my phone for. Y'all look like, I don't know what, I look a mess. Can y'all see that? I look a mess. And let me show y'all. This guy, yesterday, he had my tag on his clothes. Walking around with my little name tag. With my own student ID. But yeah. I could have got another student ID, but nah, I'm going to keep that one. It's time to renew my license too, y'all. Yeah. I'm going to go ahead. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling my... Okay, let me get back to this crab, okay? Okay. I'm doing a lot of playing and talking, girl. A lot of playing and talking. Let me tell you something. I like vlogging better than I like doing the mukbang, for real. I don't know why I do. Even though I don't do a good vlog, but yeah. What was that? And this is like, I don't know if it's like the seasoning or why it's dark in here, but we're going to find out. What is that dry over there doing? Are you talking to me? You better be quiet. You can do what you want and live in color. Boop, boop, boop. Leave you smoking like fire. A little bit of seasoning. My nose is itching. Who's talking about me? No one. I don't even believe in that. People like, my nose is itching. Someone's talking about me. I don't believe in that. I believe in my hand itch. I'm gonna get some money. That's what I believe. It's the only superstition. Most of the time I do get some money, but a few times I lost some money too. But it's all good. It wasn't mine in the first place. It was only for me to borrow. Borrow this, girlfriend. I'm finished with this. I want to try these, the donuts. I need to wash my hands, so. Y'all gonna stay here till I come back? Or y'all gonna leave? What y'all gonna do? Yeah, tell me. I'll be back. If you leave, you gonna be sorry. About to knock over the water. Zion, you need to come take this trash out. Thank you. Get a double bag and put my stuff in there too if you don't mind. Tie that bag up too. Don't take that bag out there like that. I'm still here, you guys. Let's go to the store. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Woo woo. That down soap. Down chick. Down chick. Come on. This bottle is so hard to suck out of. I don't know why. I have to unscrew it and then it can suck it peacefully. And sometimes I forget that I unscrewed it and then water be spilling everywhere. I don't know why. It's like a struggle. So we're going to try these donuts, okay? These are the Frootloops donuts, okay? Okay, dokie. Tanae's here. And I'm going to just, maybe take a bite out of each. They have the blue. And they have the red, rojo. They have the purple. They have the yellow. I think yellow is Amadea. I'm not sure. If I'm wrong, I'm sorry. Because I know y'all, yeah. They have the green. I don't know the color green. I know rojo is red. I don't know why I'm laughing. Can you double that bag? You double the bag. Can you double the bag? What you want? Some of my donut? I do that, baby. Smile. This is the best one right here, y'all. I ain't want a piece of my blue, and I'm not going to be stingy and not share because I'm not supposed to be eating them anyway.
Thank you.
So, yeah. So, I'm going to try the blue. Even though blue is my favorite color, the green to me is the best. They are good, y'all. Y'all should taste them. I mean, y'all should try them. Like $1.99 at Hardee's. Well, my Hardee's. Probably everybody Hardee's. Come on. Please close the door because it's crickets. I don't want no cricket in here. If y'all ever had a cricket in y'all house, as soon as you go to lay down, the crickets start chirping. Nope. No. Cut that light off and lock that door because you didn't cut that light off till last night. You're going to pay the light bill. That's what you're going to do. It don't taste like a distinct flavor. It just tastes like Frootloops cereal. No, I never had Frootloops in milk. I always have Frootloops dry for some reason. But they are so delicious. Totally delicious. Is that Toucan Sam that said it? I think so. And this is Toucan Sam right here. Toucan Sam, baby. I think. No, my bad. That's not Magically Delicious. That's the Lucky Charms, I think. I don't know. They're all good. Delicious. Alright, you guys. I'm gonna end this video. I'm gonna end this video. I might eat these tonight and I might not. I know I shouldn't. But anyway, I love y'all. I thank y'all. I thank y'all for watching. I thank y'all for rocking with me. I thank y'all for the love, the support. I thank y'all for y'all comments. Some of them y'all could keep them. But again, I thank you for your comments. I thank you for your likes, your dislikes. If you don't like my video, I really don't understand why. Because I'm a likable chick. Really, I am. But it's all good because I know I'm not for everybody and everybody's not for me. But I love y'all. I love y'all. I love y'all. I love y'all. And I thank y'all for y'all support again. So, please continue to like, comment, subscribe, share if you want to. You don't got to, though. I'm not ready for all the shares. But anyway, if you want to share, that's fine. I won't stop you. But I thank y'all for everything. And y'all have a great night. It's Friday night for me. This video probably won't be up until Saturday morning. So, good Saturday morning to you all. I love you all. Oh, y'all, this is a hairball on my towel. Y'all know. When you wash your hair, but whatever. We can talk about it. Back to this. So, whenever y'all see this, good morning, good night, good evening, midday, whatever. Do what y'all do. Make sure y'all be true and be you. Don't let nobody tell you down with their negative comments, their negativity, none of that. None of that. Like, I'm at a point in my life when I'm at peace with everything. I'm at peace. And, yeah, it's like the best place to be. At peace with everything. Because it is what it is. You might fall down, but you just get back up. And you keep on going. So, yeah, peace and love. Peace. Here's my hug to you all. If y'all like hugs. I was just talking to myself today. If you don't like to hug, or if you don't know how to hug, or if you like to give fake hugs, like, please keep your hugs. Don't give me the one-hand hug. Because that's not a hug. I can see if you have one arm. Yeah. I can see if you have pain. If you got pain, you shouldn't be trying to hug nobody because you don't want nobody to squeeze you too tight. But, like, if you're going to hug me and you give me this one-hand hug, baby, please keep that to yourself. Because if you're going to give me a fake hug, I'd rather you not even do it. I'd rather you, if you're going to be fake about speaking, don't speak to me. And I don't mean no harm. You can call me what's wrong. But it's like, and I just said about positivity, but, you know, fake and being positive is not right. So I'm just going to be real. Like, and I know people and I speak to people. And it used to bother me when people that I know wouldn't speak to me, and I speak to them and they wouldn't say nothing. It used to bother me so much, but now it don't. It don't even bother me. I spoke to this person 2 days in a row. They did not speak. So the third day, when I seen them, I act as if they were invisible, and I just kept right on going. And it's no ill will, but if you don't want to speak, why should I keep on speaking to you? I'm only doing, what am I doing, talking to myself? I could do that anytime. No. So, yeah. Anyway, I love y'all. Don't let nobody get to y'all. Don't let nobody, have the power over you, not even to get you upset. Like, just be at peace. I mean, like, yeah. Yeah. I don't think I'm better than nobody. I don't think I'm too good to speak to people. But if I know you're not going to speak, I'm not even going to waste my breath to even say nothing to you. You don't got to speak to me, and that's fine. So, hey. Like I said, do what you do. Be you and be true. And love y'all. Good night, people. Peace. 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 Y'all see this pimple on my eye? I'm not going to bust it because I had a pimple on my nose right here. And I didn't bust it or pop it. And it didn't make a mark. It didn't make, like, the little black spots right here. So I'm trying to stop popping my pimples on my face. I'm going to leave it there. But I think I rubbed it and something came out. But I'm still not going to bother. I'm going to just let it go back. And, even if it hurt, I'm going to just leave it alone. Y'all see my little stains from my sauce? Peace and love. Peace. I'm out of here, baby.